Hey guys, it's me, Jamdor Gaming, and today we're going to be exploding tomato. Hopefully it works. If I can even find it. So we have tomatoes, they hide the big ones. The big ones hide a lot. Don't know if this is good enough, but we'll try it. Or we'll try one of the unripe ones, because they're much bigger, as you can see. Yep. And we're going to be exploding it. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. And if you hear noises in the background, it's just my sisters playing around. 2. 3. Please explode. Last one. To the last one you will explode. Do you hear me, tomato? Do you? Yes, I hear you. Good. So let's explode you. So 3, 4. Oh, really? This is really hard to explode. I can tell it's going to be real hard. 4. 5. It's really hard to put these stupid rubber bands on it. 6. 7. 8. And let's wait for it. I'll give it a little hand. Please explode. Please explode. Please, please, please explode. Just explode. Already. Explode. Explode. You can do it. I trust in you, tomato. Now we're going to put a hole in it to help it. Will it work? Will it bloomin' work? I just bruised it. So the tomato does not work. We'll get another fruit. The big zucchini would have been good. That's not good enough. Because we can't use it. You don't have to listen to the laughs in the background because they are not our business. They're not your business. Yes, the perfect one. You will have to explode from the very first one. Whoa. Is it going to explode? 2. 3. 4. 5. Put these ones back on. Whoa! I just squeezed it and it... Oh my gosh. No, get the rubber band. Save them. Save the rubber bands. Save the rubber bands. Save the rubber bands! Oh, I gotta try and pop this one. Why is it so hard to pop? The first one, look, compared to this one, it's just all squished. Alright, let's find something better to pop. We'll collect all the rubber bands again, because they are very useful for this video. This one. Yes, it's all squeezy and gooey. This one will definitely explode into tiny little shrivelets. It exploded from the first one. There. Its blood is on my hands. Okay, this is not going very well for the video, but we'll handle with it. You can handle with it. Hey, everyone should know. What? Is that the tomato? I just picked up a tomato and it popped right in my very hand, but we've got a better one, and this will explode easily but hardly. Alright, we'll collect them while we're exploding this. Okay, this one is such a good tomato to explode. It's going to explode. Oh, juice. Juice! Oh, yep. Yep. So that one definitely kind of exploded, I guess. Right, that's it for now. And if you want to see more exploding videos, leave a big thumbs up or destroy that like button. Smack it. Smack it with your tomatoes and zucchinis. And how many likes, more likes we get, the more times we'll do this kind of video. Goodbye!